Park the vehicle in the center of the bay. Apply the parking brake. Place the pads under the jacking points. Lift the platform till the pad touches the vehicle and ensure jacking points sit in middle of the pads. Loosen the wheel nuts. Hoist the vehicle a few feet up from the ground and shake the vehicle to ensure that it is placed on secured position. Check the alignment from the front position. Hoist the vehicle to desired position and safely remove the wheel with tire. Visually inspect the thickness of the pad lining. Remove the pin bolts. Then remove the caliper. Hang it with a wire hook to avoid twisting the flexible hose. Now remove the brake pads and the pad springs. Remove the caliper carrier from steering knuckle and pull off the brake disc by using M8 bolts. Check the thickness of the pad lining both outside and inside. Check for the leakage of brake fluid and repair the caliper if leakage is found. Install the brake disc and hand tighten the nuts. By using the magnetic stand, set the dial gauge with prod positioned about 10 mm inward from periphery of disc and measure the deflection of disc. Using micrometer, measure the thickness of brake disc. Now, install the caliper carrier to steering knuckle and tighten the bolts to specified torque. Install the pad springs to the caliper carrier. Install the pads with shims. While doing this, remember to install inner pad with its wear indicator positioned upside. Now, install the caliper and tighten the pin bolts to specified torque. Remove the nuts from hub. Install the wheel on hub and secure the wheel by hand tightening the wheel nuts. Bring down the vehicle to ground position. To avoid bending wheel or brake disc, tighten the wheel nuts in sequence and to proper torque. Now, release the parking brake.